The ultimate Phix clothing reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. Luxury styled fashion with a bold edge, that's what attracts many shoppers to Phix clothing. But most people make the same mistake when browsing premium apparel. They buy on impulse without checking what to expect. Here's the smart way to decide if Phix is right for you. Phix is known for unique looks inspired by music, rock culture, and timeless design. Jackets, shirts, and accessories feature standout patterns and quality materials. If your goal is to express your personality through clothing, these pieces can be a strong statement. Before buying, review sizing closely. Designer garments often have different fits, so check measurements and compare with clothing you already own. You won't believe how much stress you avoid by getting the right size from the start. Next, consider pricing and value. Phix aims for a higher quality feel, which means products may cost more than fast fashion. That's not a downside as long as you're targeting style built to last. Look for shipping details, return policies, and customer experience stories. Happy buyers may highlight craftsmanship and compliments they receive. Others may mention delays or needing size exchanges. Going pro means knowing both sides. When your order arrives, take care of your pieces properly. Follow care labels to keep fabric strong and colors vibrant over time. In conclusion, Phix clothing can help you stand out with confidence, but smart shopping is the secret. Understand the style, confirm the fit, and choose pieces that truly feel like you. Fashion is personal, and the best wardrobe is the one that empowers you to own every moment.